kanina na hindi na magaling sa kalokohan. Malamang matatalino rin kami. Di ba?
Genius! Genius!
Genius! Sino genius dito? Sino genius? Tayo! Genius! Dahil dyan, mag-i-impromptu speech tayo. Kailangan, yung anong question dyan, babasahin natin in English, sasagutin din natin in English.
Patunayan nyo na ano! Ang
Matalino
kanina
tayo.
ay matalino! Dali!
Pero may dito, may plot twist.
Plot twist.
Kailangan yung mga hindi sasagot, iinom ng water. Pero hindi nyo lulunukin. Tapos, try not to laugh.
Try not to laugh. Okay?
Sino una?
Game?
Ano yun? Umpisa muna.
Wala.
Umpisa muna para siyempre magkuha ng idea.
Inom.
Lahat? Ngayon na ba?
Ay, hindi, bukas pa!
Ay, pala ba kapag...
Ay, meron na pala.
Ay, inom na.
Ay, ba't ako iinom?
Asan yung question yung...
Andan. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Inom ka, inom. Sige, ito hindi luno.
Ano nakasulat? Ay, wala pa. Ang tagal.
Yan.
Anong question?
Kita mo? Lapit natin, lapit.
Zoom. Describe your dream job and why it suits you. In my opinion, my dream job is to become a chef in different countries, and why it suits me because I'm a good cooker.
Di ba?
Talino ka
Talino.
talaga.
Next.
Uy, tumapat ka rito.
Dapat ka na.
Umpisa ako dun. Nalulog. Impromptu speech.
Anong tanong mo?
Ang tanong.
Dagal, let's make you look good friends. Ano? What will make you a good friend? Huwag mo akong tuturaan dyan.
Ano na?
Makes me good friend. Di ko alam. I don't know because I have no friends. Dog, I have one.
Then?
Ayok. And this one.
Tama na.
Nasaan yung akin dito?
Sige.
Ulit. Ang pangit ng tanong.
This one, tatlo sila.
Sino na next? Yung.
Ay, baka basa doon iba.
Uy, yan.
Akin ba to? Kaya wala pa ako naiinom.
Huwag madali. Ay, huwag mahirap.
Describe your dream job and why it suits you.
Describe.
Hindi ka inom! Dali na!
Ba't inom pala ako?
Saan yun? Bumabasa ulit.
Ano ba yan? Basahin mo.
Describe your dream job and why it suit you.
Ang dali.
English!
Ito, mamoy.
Yeah, my dream is ano. My dream is ano, police.
What it should do?
Hindi ko trauma mo. Hindi niya trauma mo. Ano yung English na mo? Crime criminal. Ligo ako din oh.
Next!
Siguro dakot.
Inom!
Oh, inom muna.
Ipin mo.
Okay, liga rito. Mukha dito. Teka.
Huwag yung suros.
Should social media influence be held incredible for their influence? Why or why not?
Gets mo na? Layo tayo.
Tara, magpatuloy.
Sabay.
Isa pa.
Ha?
Should social media influence be should accountability for their
Mang scam!
or not?
Game.
Yeah, because it's not. Ibata ko si kasabi ko yung stand eh. It's not. Because, ano, when you implement, you gonna more good. You don't just not. Good vibes. Yeah, that's good.
Palit ng damit mo kayo. Basa ka.
How do you think life will be 50 years different 50 years from now? Yes. First, I will become old enough to buy some alcohol, and of course, I'm already in the adolescent stage, right? Adolescent stage. And I can provide for my family, and I have own family in 50 years from now. And that's all.
Daddy.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be? And ulit nga. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and how would you use it? Absolutely. Pangin nga, wala pa eh. Pangin naliguan ito ba?
Kinili mo lang.
Away ko, naman sa'yo.
A superpower I used to be. Pangin na. Pangin ko, parang tanga. Takin na. Sumasagot pa eh. Supernatural.
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 Ano? Tangin na kasi. Nawala to din eh. Nasa isip ko na eh.
International
Takit
Union.
din yan. The power I used to be is supervision. Because the supervision, you can see what you practice. You can see whatever you want. If you can see your grandmother, you see his practice. You see. If you see, putangin na yan. Parang tanga naman. If you see a beautiful girl
In town.
in town, you can see what you want to see. That's it. Yo, alam niya, ayok na to. Ilang yan eh.